All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're breaking down the complete 2025 roadmap for becoming a blockchain engineer, which is, without a doubt, one of the most exciting careers in tech right now. If you've been curious about Web3 or crypto, you are in exactly the right place.
So let's just start with a number that's kind of hard to ignore. A skilled blockchain engineer can pull in upwards of $200,000 a year, and that's often before bonuses and token incentives. So yeah, this isn't just a fascinating field, it is an incredibly lucrative one.
Okay, so what is this job really about? I mean, it goes way beyond just coding for crypto. At its heart, a blockchain engineer is really an architect of digital trust. You're building the very foundation for a new, way more secure internet.
To put it simply, a blockchain engineer is a highly specialized software developer. Your job is to take all this complex cryptographic theory and turn it into real, working, decentralized systems. You're basically the builders on this new digital frontier.
And this, right here, gets to the heart of the excitement. This is not some boring job maintaining old systems. As a blockchain engineer, you are actively creating the technology behind Web3, smart contracts, NFTs, and DeFi, decentralized finance. You are literally working at the very edge of innovation.
But of course, before you can build anything, you have to understand the foundation. To be a successful blockchain engineer, you've got to really get the core concepts that make this technology so revolutionary. And it all starts with this idea of decentralization.
This slide shows that fundamental shift just perfectly. On the left, you've got your traditional centralized system. Think of a single bank holding all the transaction records. If that one central point fails, the whole system can go down. But on the right, you have blockchain's decentralized model, where all the records are distributed across a massive network. There is no single point of failure. It's a game changer.
And these core properties are what create that digital trust we talked about. The distributed ledger means everybody has a copy, so it's super transparent. Immutability is a fancy word that just means once records are added, they can't be changed, which is huge for preventing fraud. The cryptography secures the whole network, and it all works without any central authority or middleman, which cuts down on costs and the risk of censorship.
All right, so you're ready to learn. Where in the world do you begin? Your journey has to start with a rock-solid foundation. This is the first, and I'd say most critical phase of the roadmap, just mastering the fundamentals.
I like to think of your foundation as these three essential pillars. First, you've got to understand the theory we just went over. Second, you obviously need the programming skills to actually build things. And third, you have to get a handle on the cryptography that keeps everything secure.
So let's talk programming. For your toolkit, you really should start with Solidity. It is the undisputed king for Ethereum, which is the biggest smart contract platform out there. Then you've got Rust. It's really popular with newer, high-speed chains like Solana, mainly because its memory safety features are absolutely crucial for high-stakes financial apps. And of course, Python and JavaScript are still essential for scripting and building the front end that users actually interact with. Next up is the security layer. Cryptography is really the beating heart of blockchain. You absolutely have to understand hash functions, which create a unique digital fingerprint for each block of data. You'll also need to master public and private keys. A good way to think about it is your public key is like your bank account number, and your private key is like the secret PIN that gives you access. Together, they create digital signatures that prove ownership.
Okay, so once you have that foundation locked down, it's time to actually apply it. The next phase of the roadmap is all about moving from theory to practice, from writing simple lines of code to building fully functional decentralized applications, or dApps.
Here's your path forward. You'll start by writing smart contracts. That's the self-executing code that actually lives on the blockchain. Then, you'll want to explore the different platforms they can run on. And finally, you'll learn how to integrate them with all the other tools that make up the Web3 ecosystem.
Now, it's important to know that not all blockchains are the same. This slide shows the two main flavors. You have public blockchains like Ethereum, which are totally open for anyone to use and are perfect for public dApps. Then you have private blockchains like Hyperledger, which are built for enterprise use. Think tracking a supply chain where you need to restrict access. This is your practical dApp toolkit. These are the tools of the trade. You're going to use libraries like Ethers.js to let your app talk to the blockchain. Frameworks like Hardhat will help you test and deploy your code. You'll also need to get familiar with MetaMask, which is a super popular crypto wallet, IPFS for decentralized file storage, and Chainlink, a service that brings real-world data onto the blockchain.
All right, you've built the foundation, you've honed the skills. The final step is translating all of that expertise into an actual career. So let's look at the professional journey, from building out your portfolio to landing that first paycheck.
And it's a journey with huge potential for growth. This chart shows a pretty typical career path. You might start as a dApp developer, then you could specialize into a smart contract role, and eventually you could become a blockchain architect, designing entire systems. And your salary is going to grow at each step along the way.
But to get hired, you need to prove your skills. A strong portfolio is, frankly, non-negotiable. Don't just say you can code. You have to show it. Build your own token, create a marketplace, develop an NFT platform. These are the kinds of projects that really get you noticed.
And who's hiring? Well, the demand is massive. It's everything from crypto-native companies like Coinbase and Polygon to enterprise giants like IBM and Deloitte. Both the cool startups and the Fortune 500s are desperately looking for this talent. Your skills are in ridiculously high demand across the board. So there you have it. That's the roadmap. It's definitely a challenging path, but it's an incredibly rewarding one. The future of a more transparent, secure, and decentralized internet is being built as we speak, one block at a time. The only real question left is, what will you build?